How to activate your Telstra SIM card. So let's get started. So you have to go in this page, that is prepaid.activate.telstra.com. Now once you are in here, you have to go in the SIM details, and here you have to enter your SIM serial number located on the back of your SIM kit. Now here it is also guide to see this SIM serial number, and after that this is a 13-digit number, that is to check your serial number. So once you enter this, you go in the service details and you have to select this and enter your ID details, and also enter the contact details. Once you add all of these, you just have to recharge your activate SIM card, and you have to review, and in the last add the payment, and you have the various option to select the payment method. And that's how you can activate your Telstra SIM card. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.